Okay, and here we go for video number 3. This is the third reason why you probably should start thinking about doing a detox. And this one hits a little bit closer because it's another one that, although we can control, we don't really think about it so much. And this is what you put on your skin. So if you wake up in the morning and you have a shower, what's in your shampoo? What's in your conditioner? What's in your body wash? What's in your face wash? Next thing up, you get out of the shower, you put body cream all over your body. Next thing you probably do is put some makeup on, maybe some hair product, hairspray or gel or whatever. Maybe you put some extra, cream on your face or extra makeup or facial skincare products. What are you putting on your skin? Have you read the labels? Have you thought about what you're putting on your skin? Do you make an effort to choose toxin-free, organic, good-for-you things? Because our skin is our major organ of elimination, and it is also where we absorb a lot of things from our environment. So our skin is actually taking in and soaking up everything we put on it. So if you are not consciously choosing things that are good for you, then there's a really good chance that you're putting things on your skin that are bad for you. And so if you've been following along with these reasons to detox, we talked about our environment, our food, and now our skincare products. If you have any of these outstanding in your mind thinking, I could probably do better in that area, then I would love you to join me for the Power of Detoxing 7 Steps to More Energy and Faster Weight Loss. We are going to kick this webinar off to teach you the steps you need to make the biggest difference fast. Okay, I would love you to join me. Stay tuned.